Hey, Sam here from Sugar Spun Run, and today we are making the actual best chicken salad recipe. So many chicken salad recipes out there get it wrong. I have tasted so many that fall flat on flavor, their proportions of their mix-ins are all wrong, or maybe they're too oily from too much mayo. It's sad, because this is actually a super easy recipe to get perfect, and I'm going to show you how. First thing you need, chicken. You are going to want pre-cooked chicken, and you need a pound of it. It's nice if it already has a little bit of seasoning on it, cooked with a little bit of salt or pepper. You can pick over a rotisserie chicken, shred some chicken. This is just some cubed cooked chicken that has been seasoned with salt and pepper. Pound of it, go right into our mixing bowl. Next is my secret weapon, which really, I think, makes this chicken salad next level. We're adding apple. You'll need 2/3 cup of a firm tart apple. I like to use Gala or Fuji. Honeycrisp would also be fine though as well. I don't like the pieces to be too large. I like just like a little hint of that crisp apple in every bite. And I personally leave the peel on, but if that's going to bother you, take it off, no problem. This adds the perfect amount of sweetness to the chicken salad. It's just like, it's my secret ingredient, and every time someone tries this, they want the recipe. Next, we're adding some finely diced yellow onion. This is just a 1/3 cup, followed by 1 chopped celery stalk. So really, when you're cutting up your ingredients, think about how you want things to taste. I like larger pieces of chicken and smaller pieces of all of the add-ins. It just really gives everything a nice texture. If you want a chunkier chicken salad, make your celery pieces larger than this. That's 1 celery stalk. Leaves removed. Somebody's gonna get mad at me. It's technically a celery rib. Celery stalk, I believe. I get yelled at about this a lot. I think this whole thing is a celery stalk. So just use one of these guys. Hopefully common sense would guide you there as well, but just in case. Next up is our mayonnaise. Critical ingredient. Pick one that has a nice flavor. Duke's is good, Hellmann's is good. Those are my preferences. Drew a blank on how much for a minute. This is 3/4 cup of mayo. The perfect amount, not too much, not too little. Just the right balance. Another thing I love about this recipe is everything goes right in the bowl. It's not like when you're baking cookies and you need a bunch of extra bowls. Oh, I think that's pretty much it. All we have left is our salt and our pepper. So you need about 1/8 teaspoon of each. This is your first time making chicken salad, definitely measure it out. I make this all the time, so you can just eyeball it. 1/8 teaspoon of each. And if you do freshly grind your pepper, it's just going to taste better. It's just science. We're almost done. Just toss everything together. Make sure you get the mix-ins well distributed and get that mayo well distributed as well. This is a great lunch. I love having it for lunch in the summertime, but it's also great for like brunches and bridal showers and baby showers. And it's just a really nice staple salad to have on hand for a party. And I mean, look how easy this is. All right, is this chicken salad ready to eat right away? Technically, yes, but again, more science, it just tastes better when it's cold. You're going to want to chill this for 30 minutes at least. It's just going to let the flavors develop. It's going to give you better taste. Everybody wants that. So give it at least 30 minutes before you serve it. Personally, what do? I put it in the freezer because I like it super cold, but don't do that for longer than 30 minutes or you'll have a bad time. All right, into the fridge. All right, 30 minutes later, we are ready to enjoy our chicken salad. Of course, you can make this a day in advance too. Get the plastic wrap off. To cooperate with me. Always give your chicken salad a stir before serving it, just in case anything's settled, and then you can go ahead and serve. This is great on toast, whole wheat toast, whatever you want to serve it on, but my favorite is croissants. No, these are not homemade croissants, but someday. Oh, I always like a little bit of lettuce, a little bit of crispness. These are adorable and so delicious. I am so excited for you to try this recipe and let me know if you think it's the best one you've ever had in your life. If you don't, well, honestly, I don't want to hear it, but I think you're really gonna like them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. This is a good sandwich.